How is alimony calculated? Alimony, also known as spousal support, they're the same thing, in Nevada is not an absolute black and white calculation. It's very judge discretion, or it's based on judge's discretion. They look at a lot of factors, but the basis is you have a spouse that makes much more income than another spouse, and they've been married for a decent amount of time. I would say usually it's got to be 5 years or more, and the judge realizes that over the last 5 years this spouse has made, or today makes so much more than this spouse, and they need to level that off. And so they will look at the ability for the one spouse to pay a monthly amount. They'll look at the need of the other spouse. They'll look at, did this one spouse earn a degree during the marriage? Did this one spouse give up a degree during the marriage, and that's why there's a difference of income? Some attorneys will say they'll look at whether this spouse can all of a sudden make as much as that spouse. Maybe he or she haven't been able to do it because they've been taking care of children, or they've been doing more home care chores or duties, and while the spouse has been working. And so they look at a lot of factors: the time of marriage, how long they've been married, the age of each spouse, and then they come up with a formula. We have on our website, rightlawyers.com, we have a calculator that sort of gives you a ballpark figure of what the alimony would be, or what the spousal support payment per month would be, and how many months someone would pay. But it is nothing more than a ballpark figure. Judges can definitely be, they can make that ballpark bigger, and they can make that ballpark smaller. And so that's how alimony or spousal support is calculated in Nevada.